Saan ka magpunta? Go na! You're going somewhere, Nak? Hello? Sa window ka, Nak?
Describe case of an emergency. Please ask the cabin crew to reach.
This is Malia's first time to ride a... Yes, second time. I'm still in the tummy. Video pala yun. I thought it was it.
Hello everyone, this is Cha and together is my team. Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. Make your first moment, Captain with. We are now...
No, we're already running, anak. You see? Look. Buy some water for now. We're going to come back. He's so excited. Someone is so excited right now. Look, we're moving. Anak, you hold your this one. Hold it. One, oh.
Mama?
Not yet. I'll just tell you later. You're so excited to eat your gum. See you next week.
No, it's still Zamboanga. Manila is Zamboanga.
Zamboanga, we're taking off.
Again, we're gonna go back in Zamboanga.
Next week. See you
No,
next week.
in Manila, it's Zamboanga. Huh?
Later na.